Hey there, in this video I'm gonna take you through the steps of how to fake the Vertigo or the dolly effects in Premiere Pro only by using your phone. So without wasting more time, let's get on with it. Right inside Premiere Pro, I've got this video that I recorded on my phone recently, and how I did record it is by starting very close from the main object's face and then slowly moving away from it. Also, you can do exactly the opposite. You can start away from it and then slowly closing in to the main object. Now, to create this fake Vertigo effect, I'll select exact frame where I want to start it, and I think this frame is perfect. Then I'm gonna delete that part of the video. And now there is two ways how you can center the main object so it can stay the same size at the beginning and at the end of this effect. The first way is by using the guides and the ruler, by dragging all these lines until you center your main object. But I think that the way I'm using it, it's much easier, so I'm gonna disable those options and then I'll go to the project panel and create a adjustment layer. I'll keep the same settings as the main video, click on OK, then I'll drag the adjustment layer over the main video. Then I'm gonna go to effects and type down the crop effects, grab the crop effect and drop it over the adjustment layer. Now I will go to the effects control panel and then I'll scroll down to crop and start cropping from the left. Then I'm gonna do the same from right and then from the top. Then what I'll do, I'll select the main video, go up to scale and position and create keyframes. So now we want to keep the main object the same size to the whole effect. So I'll start scrolling through the video and stop somewhere over here. And then what I'll do, I will delete the rest of this video and the adjustment layer. Then I will select the video again and increase it until we match the same size as the first frame. And as you can see, now the quality of the video, it's not great. More scaling means less video quality. So that's why I recommend shooting your videos on 4K resolution if you want to get a better video quality. So now when I've done adjusting the main object, I'm gonna scroll through the timeline and make sure that the main object always stays in this box. Okay, now when I've done with it, I'm gonna delete the adjustment layer and let's play it and see what I've done. And to be honest, it looks nice, but as you can see, the quality at the end is not great. So here I'm gonna share a little trick. So if you want to do the reverse effect, what you can do is hold Alt and then duplicate this video. Then right click, go up to speed and duration and click onto reverse speed and then OK. So here we are zooming out and here we're zooming in. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Premiere Pro tutorials. And now you can watch this video if you want to find out how to use the blur effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.